the real hand that crashes the market. Everyone thinks the US starts global financial crises. They're wrong. The real executioner is often hiding in Japan. Sounds crazy, right? Let me break down the biggest risk no one is talking about. Think of the world's money supply as a giant swimming pool. For decades, two massive pumps have been filling it up with cash: the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan. Historically, when the US pump slowed down, the Japanese pump would speed up, keeping the global economy afloat. But now, for the first time in a generation, both pumps are in reverse. They are both sucking money out of the world at the same time. First, let's look at the US pump. The Federal Reserve is holding the interest rates, which makes every loan on earth, from mortgages to business debt, more expensive. At the same time, they're doing quantitative tightening, which means they are actively deleting the dollars they once printed to prop up the market. Money is literally vanishing from the system. But the real nuke is the second pump: Japan. For decades, global investors got ultra-cheap, almost free loans in Japanese yen to buy up assets all over the world. It was a massive flood of easy money fueling global markets. Now that's over. Japan is finally raising its own interest rates. This is forcing a global panic sell. Institutions are dumping their stocks and bonds worldwide to get cash, convert it back to yen, and repay those loans before they get even more expensive. This is the giant sucking sound. So you have the US making new debt expensive, while Japan forces everyone to sell assets to pay back old debt. For the first time, both giant pumps are aggressively sucking money out of the world at once. What happens when the pool runs dry? Asset prices crash. Hard. And here's the secret: this isn't an accident. It's a cycle designed to harvest global wealth. So while everyone is obsessed with what the US Federal Reserve will do next, the real financial nuke is being armed in Tokyo. The true warning sign isn't just a US interest rate hike. It's a strengthening Japanese yen. That's the signal that the harvest is about to begin. This cycle is designed to transfer wealth from the unprepared to the elite. So how do you make sure you're not the one being harvested? Follow or subscribe to this channel. We'll show you what to watch for.